How do I keep germs away from my cab to keep me and my passengers safe? Obviously, you will clean and sanitize hard surfaces in your vehicle several times a week. However, bacteria and fungi can multiply if cleaning is not thorough. That's why Trafold developed Safe.t Shield for the Taxie child safety seat. It's a coat of invisible armour which prevents bacteria and fungi from multiplying and spreading on its surfaces. Furthermore, the seat was designed for children of 1 year and above with a scalable configuration which, when folded, is the size of a piece of hand luggage. Just unlock the base, flip it over, adjust the headrest, and you are good to go. When you are finished, just wipe it down, fold it back up, and store it in the boot, germ-free with plenty of room for passenger luggage. Safe.t Shield sanitized hygiene seat stops bacteria and fungi spreading, and it's very easy to clean.